All right, so this is week 3, Sunday, quarter 2, math 7. It's a study guide. We're going to review the question number 5 again. So for number 5, if you take a look for A, it says find the measure of the angles in the figure, right? So let's go ahead on the left side and put find. What are all the angles we're looking for?
Four.
And you can actually even label them. Just say this is angle 1. This is angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. You can go ahead and do letters, or you can just label them like this. Which one do you think is easier? Okay, so angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. Okay. Yeah, it probably is, but you make sure you know how to label it with the letters as well. Which angle is already given to you?
Angle 1 is already 15.
Okay, what else?
Angle 4.
What else?
And angle 6.
Okay. Now, what are some of the strategies that we have? Remember the strategies page and how you copy down here? And I believe this was a strategy page. Remember this one that we did? Did you write it in there or in there? Might have been over there. I think it might have been over there because you didn't have your notebook with you.
No, but I got it.
I know you wrote it down. I just don't think you wrote it in your notebook. Okay, well, regardless of what it is, you can't use your notes anyway, so you might as well just remember them and try to figure out. So look at this right here. Look at this right here. One of the strategies we have is, do we have any parallel lines? Do we have any this is not enough space. This should have been moved all the way down there.
No.
Yeah, it should. Are there any parallel lines here for
No,
A?
I meant no for the question.
No, okay. So then if there's no parallel lines, look at some of the other strategies. Do we have a maybe so we don't do number 4, right? Do we have any quadrilaterals like number 3?
Yes.
Quadrilaterals where?
No.
No. Which one do you think you're gonna use? Most likely. Now look at the strategies here. And look what you have here. Which one do you think you're gonna use?
2.
Okay, 2, because you have a triangle, right? And 1. What does 1 say?
Angle A plus angle B is
Because you're basically looking for a straight line, correct? So which 2 angles do you see making a straight line?
angle 1 and for angle 5. No, angle 1 and 6.
1 and 6? This angle here plus this angle
Angle 1 and angle 2.
equals what? Okay, so let's do that. Let's set it up and find. I already know one of the angles, so which angle am I going to find? You do the work. Show me what you get. Did you put all your folding away for next week? Okay.
Angle 2 is equal to 59.
How'd you find that?
I subtracted 180 by 129.
Good. So we can go back here, 59. Okay, that's one down, right? What other angles can I find now that I have angle 2?
I can.
Because this angle right here, because once you find it, you should put that angle down, right? So I have this angle and I have this angle here.
Find angle 3.
Yeah, because you have 2 missing angles that's already given to you, but you have 1 missing angle on top, right?
180 minus 79 minus 69.
All right, so here's your first one that we did, right? Number 2. Angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to what? 180. There you go. Angle 2 is, so figure it out. Go ahead. You don't need to copy what I'm doing. You just need to do what you're doing, okay? Because you're doing
I
it
just
correctly.
make sure the format's correct.
Yeah, it's correct. Just try it.
Or my format.
That's fine. So next Saturday we have a Lowe's workshop, and then I'm gonna go to Defy with one of my friends. But next Saturday, if you want to stay home, you're welcome to do that. I don't care. Right. And then
About 42.
I actually don't know. This one I can use the calculator. It's fun. Just make sure it's correct. Because you know how like if you make a mistake, then everything is done. So is it correct? What's angle 3? It's just 180 minus 79 minus 59.
Oh,
That's okay. If you made a mistake, go back and change it.
42.
42? Okay, so angle 3 is 42. So I'm gonna put 42 right here. And 42 right there. Remember, this right here, this is your answer column. Okay, so make sure everything's clean on the side so that way your teacher can easily see what the answer is and how you find it. Okay? All right. Now that we're done with that one, what else can we find? What else is missing? There's any angle 5, right? So, third one, how are you gonna find angle 5? What's your strategy?
Yeah, like angle 4, angle 6, and 8. Or
You see a straight line there?
yeah.
What 3 angles make the straight line? You see this straight line? So what no, what are the 3 angles that make the straight line? This angle here, that's yellow. What angle is that? Good. This angle right here, that's green. What angle is that? Good. And this angle right here in blue, what angle is that? So angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 is equal to what? Good. Now find angle 5. Because that's missing. How would you find that?
From 74.
74? Okay, there you go. Did we find everything?
Yeah.
There you go. That's it. All right, moving on to B. When you look at B right there, what do you see? What strategy are you going to use?
Okay, I'm going to
It's different than A, right? Because A we use a lot of, what are the strategies we use in A?
strategy. 2, 3.
Okay, straight angle, right?
Mm.
Your teacher's not gonna know what the strategy is because we created that. Straight angle and what?
And the triangle.
Sum of a triangle, right? That's what we use. Here, we don't have a triangle. Do we have a triangle? Well, there might be a straight line. That's true. Might even do that.
But a parallel line.
But there's parallel lines, right? And with parallel lines, remember there is consecutive anterior. I think that's the one that we use the most, right? And there's also vertical, right? Okay, so what are we trying to find? All the angles, right? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, angle 8. Because those are labeled, right? What's given to you?
That angle 2 is equal to 60.
60. Okay, so angle 2 here is equal to 60. Well, this is gonna be an easy one because it's either equal or it's either added to 180, right? Which angle is equal to 60?
3. Vertical.
Good. What else? What other angle is equal to 60? If you look at 60, that's an acute angle. So what other?
6.
Good. What would that be though? To 3. Or it's what to 2?
Okay.
No. Look at 2 and 6.
Oh,
Corresponding. There you go. What other angle is also 60?
7.
2 and 7 is what?
Alternate exterior.
Good job. What else?
I think that's it.
Okay, cool. What other angles can we find?
Angle 1.
Okay, what is angle 1 equal to?
180 and 60.
Okay, good. 180 minus 60, which is what?
120.
Good. 120. Now looks correct because it's obtuse, right? So you're getting better at this. What other angle can you find that is also 120?
4.
Which is what?
Choose the
Good. What other angle? Keep going.
5.
Keep going. You want some hummus, Grace? Are you hungry? Keep going.
And I think that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Good. So what is angle 5?
Angle 5 is 120.
Okay, angle 8 is?
120.
There you go. Pretty easy. All right, number 10. What does that ask you to do?
Asking the measures of the variables and all of them.
Okay, so careful. Variables means it's X, Y, Z, right? And the all known angles. You have angles and variables. Remember, some of the questions also have like segments, like the side. Okay, so what are we going to find? What are the variables?
Can I use numbers for this one?
Numbers? What do you mean? Like for the angles?
Like,
Yeah, that's fine. But let's find the variables first. What are the variables?
X and Y.
X, Y. Then I want you to label your angles.
Okay, so this angle 1.
Good.
Angle 2.
Yep.
Angle 3.
Okay.
Angle 4.
Good.
Angle 5.
Okay. Angle 1, 2. Which one do you already know? Because you're given.
Angle 4.
Good. And what is angle 4?
It's 115.
Good. That's given to you. But do I know any other angles that give me the letters?
No.
Angle 1 is X plus 24, right?
Oh.
Angle 2 is 2Y minus 50. I just write it down so that way you know what's given to you.
Okay.
All right, so what is your strategy? What else is given? It's given to you.
There's also
Good. But there's 2 transversals, correct?
Yeah.
Let's highlight those transversals. First transversal, I'm going to use green. Second transversal, I'm going to use orange. Okay? Which transversal do you want to focus in on first? Green.
Yellow one.
Yellow one, okay, so if you look at the yellow one, what can I do with that? Transversal, to set something up.
Well,
What are the two numbers and letters that's by yellow?
115, yes.
Yeah, so what kind of angles are they?
They're, consecutive interior.
Good, so how do we set it up?
So it'll be 115 plus angle 1 or x.
Yeah,
Which is gonna be like.
good, now solve for x. Getting better at it. Just because they're solving for x doesn't mean that x is equal to whatever that is, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
In angle 5, x is actually equal to whatever it is. But in some cases, it's not the case, okay? It doesn't work that way. So what is your x? You can use your fingers, absolutely. Just make sure you use the right answer, so you can use your finger all you want.
Because I can't subtract my hand.
That's okay, you'll get better at it, Grace, and everybody develops a system somehow.
Okay, so 65.
Good. So what is 65? This angle right here, right? So angle 5 is?
Angle,
And also, you know that x is equal to 65, right?
yeah.
So there you go, you got two things done, correct? Okay, now that you have that, what else can you find? Now that you find x equals 65.
Now I can find angle 1.
Absolutely. Yep. So what's your answer there?
89.
Good job. So I'm gonna put angle 1 is equal to 89 degrees.
Okay, why? So we don't know what we don't know what to do. So,
Nope. Is there anything I could do with angle 2?
yeah, come on. Is okay, so angle 2 is supplementary to angle 1.
Good.
So
Good.
that would be 2y minus 50 is plus or plus 89.
Mhm.
With 180.
You got it. Yep. So for angle 2, it is equal, well, actually what we can do is say angle 1 plus angle 2 equals 180 degrees. So x or 89 plus 2y minus 50 equals 180 plus 49. Okay, this is the one that I got really fucking pissed off because it doesn't give you a whole number, give you a decimal, which is kind of fucking stupid, but that's okay. Use your calculator just to check. One.
So that's the value of y, so then you can find angle 2.
That's good. How do we find angle 2?
2 times 75 minus 50.
Okay. You could use your calculator for that if you want. Well, technically, this will be 141 minus 50, I think. Is it 141? I think so.
Yeah. So 91.
There you go. You got it, Bubba.
No,
Well, we're talking. Yeah, just put it right there. Circle, please. X, Y, angle 1, angle 2, or angle 3. But do we know what angle? Okay, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4.
So
Okay.
angle 3, find that
The what?
3 isn't this looking at the 360?
Oh, we forgot angle 4. Did we forget angle 4? Oh no, angle 4 is right there. Yeah, angle 3. We did not get angle 3, right? Yeah, it is. It does equal 360 because okay, I just rolled mine incorrectly because it should be something like this because I haven't found angle 3 yet.
So then we add all the like angle 2, angle
Yeah.
5, and angle.
So angle 2 is 91 degrees, right?
So that's
So or you don't have to add it. One thing you could do is you could just do angle 3 is equal to 360 minus the 3. Does that make sense? That might be easier. So just 360 minus 91 minus 65 minus 115. So you could technically add everything here together first and then subtract it, or you could just subtract it. It doesn't matter, whichever one is easiest. I actually think adding it all together might be easier. Give me 30 plus that 90, so 50.
one and one.
I got 89. Can you check the calculator? I might have done that. It's very possible. I don't know. And I tried. Oh, good about it. Oh. You gotta pace yourself for next semester or quarter because you do not have a lot of you don't have a ton of you don't have a ton of holidays coming up, just you know.
Wait, what?
I said you don't have a ton of holidays.
What?
I said you don't have a ton of holidays for quarter 3 and quarter 4. So you gotta pace yourself. But we do have that huge
That's
so.
pretty great. Yeah, you're correct. It's 80. Right.
That is crazy. So I already reserved our Hyatt Regency hotel.
Oh, it's 50.
It's what?
It's 50.
Are you sure? 360. No. Look. 360. Just minus. Okay. 65 minus 115 minus 91. It's 90. Oh, it's close, but not quite. It's actually so the process far out. Did this wrong.
No, it's 89. It's 89. We put 90.
Oh, is it 89? Oh, yeah, then I did it correctly. Okay, cool. Okay. And that's it. That concludes it. Is there one more that you need to do, or do you feel pretty confident with the rest? Do you want to do one more? I think you should maybe pick one that has like, which one have we not used so far? We already used one, right? With the supplementary. We did 2 with this triangle. We did 4. We did the quadrilateral, so that's good. What other one have we not used? The ones that I said. I think just number 6, isn't it? Which one looks like number 6? The strategy for number 6. I think we're good. We'll take a break, but let's pick some for tomorrow. Okay, which one has number 6?
B. I don't think we did.
What number?
B. 6B.
6B?
I don't think we did. I don't. No, we didn't do any of that.
6B. No, 6B is not like number 6. Strategy 6 with the
Oh.
opposite sides, opposite angle one.
Oh, it's literally like the same thing as me.
No, it's not. 6B is not like the one that we just did. Oh, actually, no, similar. So I would suggest, which one would you like to go over tomorrow that actually has strategies number 6? And the strategy number 6 was if 2
C.
C, I don't know what that means.
6C.
No, that's not. This is 6C, isn't it? That's not it. Okay, you're not getting what I'm saying. What I'm saying is okay, which one looks like this one? Number 6, strategy number 6. where
Oh.
if the opposite sides are equal, two opposite sides are equal, then the opposite angles are equal as well. Remember that question? That was a tricky one. So I want to make sure you practice with that.
Number 7 looks similar.
Yes, number 7 is a good one to use. So we will do number 7 tomorrow. Or maybe we'll do it right now. Oh, shut up, Grayson.
Stop surviving or treating me like shit.
Because I want you to do well on your test, so I'm treating you like garbage. Is that what you're trying to say?
You are. You're
I'm
treating me
not.
like garbage.
Well, if I treat you like garbage, I'm pretty sure you would know.